Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design posters in Canva. So let's have a look now. Start by signing into your account and then select Create a Design. You can either start with a pre-designed layout that suits your theme or design your poster from scratch. So for example, I'm going to choose a template. Here you can personalize your poster by adding your own text, images, shapes, icons, and more. Canva provides a wide selection of pre and fade images to suit your need. Enhance your poster by including relevant images or illustration. Arrange and organize the elements of your poster in a visually pleasing manner. Make sure the design flows well and directs attention to important information. Preview your poster to ensure it looks appealing and professional. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the design. Once you are satisfied with your poster, download it. Okay, that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.